Hi, my name is Kimberly. I'm a registered dental assistant with Diamond Braces, and I will be quickly reviewing how to use the 20% whitening gel that we provide to all our Invisalign patients. The whitening gel comes in 3 different syringes with specialized tips, and it's to be applied directly into your Invisalign aligner. What you'll do, open up one of the syringes, place the tip, and you're going to apply a very thin layer directly inside your aligner, only for the front teeth and only for the front portion of the aligner. We don't have to use the whitening gel on the back part of your teeth. After you've applied the gel in the thin layer, you're going to put your aligner on and leave it for no more than 45 minutes. After 45 minutes has passed, remove your aligner, rinse it out really good, brush it to clean it, and do the same for your teeth. Within approximately 7 days, you should start seeing results. Thank you for choosing Diamond Braces.